Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can book a hotel in the agoda.com. So here I've already opened the agoda.coms on my computer, and make sure that you're on this tab, hotels and homes, and choose between the overnight stays or a day you stays. So this depend on how long you will stay on the hotel. I'm going to just use overnight stay, and here you can enter the destination or maybe a specific property. I'm going to just use a destination here. Now change the date. If you want, you can also change how many person will occupy the room, and just click on search after that. So here, as you guys can see, there are lots of options, and here you can see this is the discount price. So you can just select the best price, I think. So for example, I'm going to select or book this hotel. Just click on this hotel option, and it will be open in the another page. Okay, so here if you want to book, you can just scroll down and see the room first. Then click on book now, this blue button. Okay, and you will be directed to the booking page. You need to fill in some information like your name, maybe the change the payment method, and let's see. Okay, so as I said before, this is the payment option. You can choose to pay later or pay now. Or here you can just scroll down and you need to fill in the contact details. Here is the room upgrade if you want to know the more information. And after that, you can just click on next and just proceed with the payment. And after that, your hotel room will be booked. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks below. Bye.